What's up, my mod fams, and welcome back to our channel Arcade Model. And today's video, this is a continuation of my last video where I showed a strategy which is literally going to break your broker. Like, it's a high chance that your broker may block you, but Exness will never block you because this is allowed in Exness, scalping the way we are scalping. So if you want to do this trick, do join with my referral link on Exness, and in this video I will show you how to get alerts on your phone. And also there is a chart. This chart will be available inside the file. If you are on my referral link, you will get the alert system. If you want the alert system, then you should be on my referral link. And this is the lot size that you can place as per your balance, and floating is mentioned. Take profit is whatever take profit you place, and stop loss is how much stop loss it will hit before the trade goes on loss. And this is in dollars. It's saying how much profit or loss you will make. If you make a profit on 10 pips, you will make $100 on one lot size. And if you lose the trade, you only get up to 3 pips that I've said in my last video. So 3 pips stop loss is like $30 loss if you make a loss. So that's how it works, and that's how I place the trades in here. You can see I'm having the trades open, and it's around $40 on profit on an account which is only $100. So that's like almost 40% gain. And yeah, it's a very good entry. I think I can hold a bit longer, otherwise I will just close it. This is following my strategy. You can see MACD is forming a pattern of upwards, and there was a parabolic forming, so I placed a trade right in the second candle because I was waiting for the confirmation almost. But I didn't place on the second candle, I placed on the first candle. But there is a spread difference, NZDUSD has a high spread, like 13 spread. That's why the entry is like that. Otherwise, after the first entry, I place buy and sell limit. Okay, whenever you have to place trades, place the multiple trades, then always use buyer sell limit. And as per your balance, keep on increasing the lot size. For the first lot on $100, I use one lot size. After that, I notice how the market is reacting, then I place more trades. I just wait for the trades, and you can see after some time when the market is going my direction, then only I place like 0.5 lot every trade. And these are the trades. As per this, I have placed around 2.5 lots right now on my account. And if you see this calculator in here, I will make almost $200, more than $200, almost $250 if all the trades go on profit. So that's insane. That's like double the account. So I'm waiting for my account to be double, and you can see it's on plus floating of $55 or something, and it's going good. I hope it can go up to 100, like 10 pips in profit. So for placing the trade and these things, you will get if you are in my referral. And there's an alert system, and it's a bit hard for me to explain everything, but first of all, I will just explain how to apply this files on your MT4, which is MT4 broker. And you have to log in your account, and once you get the file from my Google Drive link, you have to just extract it. Okay, extract on here. And once extracted, go to this file, and you will see this 2 folder. Just copy this and open your MT4, which is login to your own like live account. In here now, just paste it. Just go to file, open data folder as I have showed, and after that you will get this folder. In here, just paste it, the files that I have said, and just replace it. Once you replace it, you will get this files. I don't know which one it is, like I think the God mode. So there's a 5 and 15 minutes alert and a 5 minutes alert, because I've said you have to watch both the chart 5 and 15 minutes. So when there is no confirmation, when you don't know if the market is up, like for the both candles, you have to wait for this confirmation. Use the 5 and 15 minutes alert template, which will be written like this, I guess, God mode. 5 and 15 minutes. I don't know what name I have given, so I think this is the one, 5 and 15 minutes alert. So once you get an alert, it will say something like your the trade is above, like it's going above, and you should see if the moving average, which is this line, the blue line, it's above the market, and it is both for 5 and 15 minutes is above the market, and you get a notification on your phone. And how to set up notification, I will just say. Before that, I just told you, if you get the alert that the market is both buy and buy on both the candles, okay, then you have to use the 5 minutes alert file. Okay, once you use the 5 minutes alert file, what happens is then you will wait for this red candles to print. Okay, not red candles, I mean the parabolic candles above means it's a sell. After that sell, there should be a printing of buy. Okay, when you get the buy order, then only you place. You have to wait for this entire time that there's a strong trend, and you can see it's a very strong trend, and also you have to notice on this. So this alert system is very good. You will know exactly when to place the trade. Like if the signal is not like very strong, don't place trade. It will say uncertain. Uncertain means it will be like this, otherwise it will look like this. Wait, yeah, this one, no, not this one. Okay, all the trades are right now on the same direction, but it can be like this, like the M5 will be showing downwards pattern, but M15 will be showing upwards. So the market is not perfect. It will be you will get alerts like uncertain or something, uncertain. So don't place a trade on that time. You have to place the trade only when the market is certain to go up. Okay, you will get a notification, and you can get this kind of profits easily. Okay, and this happens every day market will give you signals. And also how to set up signals. Right now, see this part, it's important. You have to go to tools, options, go to notification, and in here you have to give your meta codes ID. Where to find it, I will just show you. So just click on this below. Just go to your MT4 and find this option, okay, on your Android, and find this option MQID. Okay, so this is the MQID. So just copy or just type that MQID in here, whatever it is, and then click on test and see that it's working. And also you have to just click on this option, push notification, and click on OK. That's all. Now you will get all the alerts, whatever I said, like the 15 minutes and 5 minutes candle. If it's very prominent, you will get an alert that the market is below. Okay, and yeah, so once it's below, even on here you will get some trades. See, right now USDCAD is going downwards. So what I can do is I can make this go to 5 minutes, because right now you can see 5 minutes candle is downwards, 15 minutes candle is downwards, and it's showing that it's a prominent buy, like sell, sorry. So yeah, if the NZDUSD, like this kind of pairs are going buy, USDCAD the opposite will always go sell. Okay, so yeah, there's a high possibility you will get trade. So now what I have to do, as per the strategy, I will wait for this candles to print downwards. Downwards mean the market will go up, parabolic, downwards parabolic. So once there's downwards parabolic, after that I will wait for the next parabolic forming above. Okay, once it's above, then I will get a very good entry, and I can just keep on making profits. You can see. Okay, so right now USDCAD is going downwards. USDCAD, while I'm making the video, it's already increasing in profits. I think I can make up to $200 easily, like total $100, and my investment back in profits $100. So while making the video, I just placed a trade and I wanted to make the video. So I hope you understood. You will get these alerts and these files. You need to be on my referral link to get this alerts system, and I will check that you are in my Exness referral link, then only you will get these files. So thanks for watching till here, and it's good that I got the signals. Now I can post this video and you can This will be much easier. Otherwise you have to look on your phone all the time and see whenever when the parabolic is forming. It will take so long to understand. I understand. So that's why this is a very good trick. And also on my next videos, if I find any other indicators which are very profitable, I will also find a way to make alert system for that also. So that's a very good thing of my videos. You will get solutions of not having to watch the charts, because if you get the alerts it will be much easier. Okay, it's still hard. You have to wait for like the 5 and 15 minutes to print a good arrow down on the same direction, and also you have to wait for the moving average to be confirmed, like it's in the direction of the trade. Yeah, it takes a bit of time, but yeah, you can double your account while making a video, like literally in just 10-12 minutes. And I just placed this trade 5 minutes before this video, just 5 or 6 minutes before the video. Okay, not 5 minutes, maybe almost 30 minutes, but yeah, at least I'm making double of my profits in less than 30 minutes. And I didn't even watch the charts. I just waited for my alerts. It comes on my phone and I just placed the trades. So yeah, while I'm making the video, let's just book the profit, because I'm okay with doubling my account almost. So yeah, I just clicked on this, and yeah, you can see on the video itself, again I doubled my account for today. So yeah, it's crazy, doubling your account in just a day. And now I will wait for another entry on USDCAD. So yeah, very very good stuff. So thanks for watching. See you on my next videos. Till then, bye.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true.